name is Jess. I'm a double major in criminology and communications. For me, it's kind of using more PR to connect people with police officers. That's kind of my thing. Finally getting to really learn about the job and the whole entire network of what goes into committing crimes and solving crimes, stuff like that, has been really interesting to me. 100% come here because you'll have so many connections for the future and you have so many interesting classes to choose from, and the community being small, there's so many opportunities to get involved. There's a lot of leadership opportunities as well. And we just have a lot of accommodations, especially for first years, to really help them get into the whole college environment. And especially the criminology department. It's one of the best majors we have on campus.